So whatever the idea could be earlier by the pilot camp, clearly the action that was taken by the Congress party in Rajasthan and also in the centre was clearly a strange, activity for all of them. So clearly whatever plan they had, that seems to be foiled now. And now at the same time, the speaker initiating disqualification action, first sending a notice and answer seeking by 17th of July, and the further action will be initiated. So that's clearly come as a surprising factor for all of them. What we know that, of course, pilot is in touch with all his loyalists, including all the leaders here, the MLAs, those who are sitting in this resort. But at the same time, such action taken by some has, surprised the entire pilot camps before they could plan anything else. So what we know that, what happened in Madhya Pradesh episode, the MLAs were brought in BJP ruled state of Haryana in the hotel. What happened in Rajasthan, again, the rebel MLAs were brought here in BJP ruled Haryana state. But the action from the Congress camp was this time very much different than what happened in Madhya Pradesh episode. So one side, the pilot could be thinking, as Anand Patel rightly said, that he cannot afford to lose his membership. But at the same time, the speaker has already initiated the disqualification process, and that is somewhere to build up a pressure on the rebel MLAs that if they try to dissent, if they try to rebel, they will lose their membership. And before they initiate poaching to other MLAs, this action is actually a posturing to build up a pressure on the rebels that they should fall back and fall in line with the state leadership in Rajasthan.
Okay, and we'll see how things really develop today. Ashutosh, I request you to stay on. I'd like to thank Anand Patel for getting us the latest also from the national capital. We've been discussing what the options are ahead of Sachin Pilot. He's been sacked as the Deputy Chief Minister of Rajasthan and also replaced as the State Congress Chief. Pilot now, of course, what his next political move remains a question mark. He's made it very, very clear that he doesn't plan to join hands with the BJP, and that's not an option for him. Does that then mean that he's going to float his own party, or will he stay on in the Congress and fight for his space? Options with Pilot at this point are limited, but he will have to take a call and take a stand soon.
Sachin Pilot, by ignoring the Congress diktat to attend the legislature party meet, has followed in the footsteps of his father. Rajesh Pilot had taken on Sonia Gandhi's nominee Sitaram Kesari for party president post. He lost the elections but stayed on in the party. Sachin Pilot now has to take the big call. Will he swallow pride and stay on in the party as his father did, or chart a new course? So far, his only reaction has been a terse tweet.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.